an amazing college. I was contemplating about coming here and studying, even though I come from a very technical background and with qualifications and everything. But there is no age, there is no gender, there is, it's such a good school. When it comes to support, we have the support. When it, like everything that's mentioned on that website is yes, the courses do bring in live projects, something that we have actually done back in the corporate environment. So it's all the technologies, everything that we are taught is up to date, and that's what we want, because technology is evolving so quick that we need something like that in teaching environment. And again, these classes are just so focused, and they start from basics, from as simple as what is an internet, what is a computer, what's a hardware, what's a software, all the way to advanced, and they just slowly work your way up. So even though I come from a quite technical background, as well as someone who has done a master's qualification, I did not think, I never thought I was gonna go back and do a diploma. And when I looked at the options and when I looked at the materials that's going to be covering whatever that I'm going to be studying, I was like, yep, that's going to fill in the gaps that I need. Because when you apply for different jobs and roles out there, it just didn't cover whatever I had studied, and it was just such a good way to sort of stop, take a break from working, because I've worked in a corporate environment for 10 plus years. So I was just really good to sort of stop, but rather than just taking a break and doing nothing, I came to this college just 2.5 days. So it's nothing like you've got to do 5 days, and there's no tests, there's no exams. So that's my forte. So yeah, 2.5 days a week was perfect, because if you're I don't know if you're a mom or if you have a job, you can actually work and study at the same time. Plus, you do most of your assessments in class anyways, and you've got the support of our trainers, and it's just amazing. Like really, really, I'm up for this college, and if I was to do something else in the future, which more likely I would, then this is my number one college. I'm not going to go anywhere else. Yeah.